dami ng gastusin. Di pwedeng ma-ospital.
Ha? May free health insurance?
Free health insurance. Free health insurance. Free health insurance.
Ang pansalo mo na Gilo, meron ng free health insurance. Thank you. Pag na-ospital, may makukuha ka pang allowance. Borrow with GCash at gamitin ang
Gilo,